How to set up AI face filters for TikTok videos on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is on how you can set up face filters for TikTok videos on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, you will need to open up your TikTok app. So make sure you're logged in into your account. And after you've done that, you can then press on your plus icon to start making a TikTok. After you're there, you should find the filters. So press on the filters icon. Let's tap on this icon first. There you can see the filters icon. Tap on the filters icon. And after you do that, you will find multiple options. From here, you can find different filters. So you can pick filters from here, or you can go back, find a filter that you like. So tap on your search icon and search for face filters. After you search for face filters, you'll find the effects right here. So you can choose a filter right here. So you can tap on the view all option. And after you found the filter that you like, you can tap on it and tap on use this effect. Doing this, you will be able to use multiple different effects that you can use for face filters. And after you've recorded it, you can then post it on a TikTok. And that's how you can set up AI face filters for TikTok videos on Android. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.